What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And we're back on the Factory 5 hot rod truck. Now, the astute among you may know what this is. We're trying to get the coolant system tested. So we're going to vacuum test it and then hopefully fill it. So what we're really going to do is we're going to get the right cap for it, put the cap on, vacuum test it, find all the leaks because there's probably going to be 40 of them, and then hopefully fix them all, and then possibly fill it with coolant. You heard it here folks. Now, hopefully this will work out well. So stay tuned, guys. Put you guys on a time lapse while we try and find the right cap. What's going on, people? Brian, are we surprised?
No.
Or not surprised?
Well, mildly.
Mildly. But
if there is a leak, it's a small one.
It's a very, very slight leak. But as you see, it's bleeding down in real time. Very small. We did the smoke trick. Could not find where it's bleeding down. But yeah. So we're gonna go to the store, get some DI water, and see what's going on. Because I think that's the only way we're gonna find this small leak is put some water in it, run it, and see where the water goes. All right, stay tuned, guys. We'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. We got some DI water that I have no idea where we put. Ah, right here. Boom, behind the tire. Now we're gonna fill this, and we're starting to have a beer with us segment now. Not really, but yeah, beer. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so now we're going to start it. There's oil. Let's check oil. Just peace of mind.
We are up to the full, maybe a skosh over.
Alright, so we got oil. Did never drain the trans. And we got water. Alright, we're gonna start it and see what happens. Kind of curious on how this new exhaust sounds anyways, so hey. Gotta monitor these. back, guys. We may have found our coolant leak. Whew. Brian, you excited?
Oh, I'm always excited.
All right, so our expansion tank right here, we're noticing the one that, the hose that comes from here to the bottom of the expansion tank, the actual threads where that threads into this tank, I guess we didn't have it tight enough because it's leaking from there. Man. But all right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna continue to pull this apart and hopefully we'll get this working. All right, welcome back, guys. So we did run it off camera, but Brian, you happy?
Happier.
Happier. Yeah, so we didn't get a single leak. We tightened that one fitting. It's still a little leaky, but the way the systems work, when it was running, we let it run for about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. The highest cool temp we got was about 208. And it took the whole 10 minutes to get to 208. And if I revved it, it dropped the temperatures down to under 200. So pretty stoked about that. So that's really, really good considering it's in an enclosed garage, and we did put a fan up there. Our thermostat housing gasket, which one do we use? Because I need to write that down.
I think it was the one for that Ford.
Possibly, yeah.
Or the Triumph, or whatever British car.
It might have been the Triumph one. Yeah, so the gasket we use for the thermostat housing, perfect. Not a single drop. None of the hoses up here. None of the heater hoses. None of that. Even though it's like 200 degrees, so I'm going to really regret that if it was leaking, but it's not. So, really ecstatic. I have a coolant system that's solid. It actually... It's got DI water in it, so I mean we're gonna flush it all out and get regular coolant in it. But because this is street car, not race car. Here, Brian, street car, not off-road car, street car.
That's what you think.
No, but yeah, pretty happy about that. So yeah, we're gonna call it for this video. This is literally just. This has been a kind of a headache, but we got it going. And yes, guys, give us ideas for the have a beer with us. I mean, we had a beer because reasons. No, I'm not showing that on camera, and it says something else anyways. I'm not.
Oh, no, it doesn't say anything else anymore.
He wants me to put that on there. This is not happening, people. But no.
Hey, we wouldn't have to worry about the stuff on the bottom scraping.
Of course we would. I'd be taking it off-road then. But I already have an off-road vehicle, Brian.
Oh.
Not every vehicle I own has to be an off-road vehicle.
They're nice, though.
They are nice. But thank you guys for watching. We appreciate this, and give us topics for have a beer with us, because I really want to do that segment because it sounds like fun. Me personally, I'm probably still gonna do it, but it'd be cool if you guys give us topics. But thank you guys again. Comment down below if you like this type of content. Hit the like button and subscribe, because most of you guys are not subscribed, and those rookie numbers, we got to pump them numbers up. Have a good one. Peace.